too shy to say a word, but I hope you love me too. Na na na.